Hello YouTube family, hope you all are doing well. And today we are going for an event that is hosted by Shaman Tramp in Vashi, that is at Satra Plaza. Basically it's a coffee meetup, you could say, hosted by Shaman Tramp. And this is for a couple of friends of mine who had been to the Northeast for around 30 days, and they covered around 9,000 kilometers. So they are there to share their stories of how the trip went, and it would be lovely to meet them there. And I think they have arranged for some coffee. Basically it's a coffee meet, so should be fun. I'm meeting Dominic. In fact, he had gone with his wife Greety with the pillion. 9,000 kilometers is a big deal, guys. So hats off to you, Dominic and Greety. And I think there were around 2-3 more bikes that went along. So I don't know them personally. I'll come to know who they are. But Dominic I know. So looking forward to this event. The event had to start at 6 and it's already 6:40, so I hope they have started it a little late, क्योंकि it took me some time with the Saturday traffic to reach this place. थोड़ा टाइम लग गया मुझे आने के लिए. Any which ways I had left late, so I'm reaching late. So that is a kind of an issue. Hope they haven't started the event, but let's see. We are fashionably late, you can say. वो कहते हैं ना, पार्टी के लिए, इवेंट के लिए लेट जाना चाहिए, तो people will know. But frankly speaking, I'm not here for that. मुझे actually I was editing another video. उसके पहले I had my office work. So that's the reason why I am late today for the event. So I can see some bikes that are on top. So let's see if I can get my bike on the footpath, so that I don't have to park it anywhere else. So that would be the safest place to take it upstairs. There was one place here to take it up and I kind of missed it. So let's take it on top of the footpath and then get ready for the event. So this is quite a bustling area here. So you can see the bikes parked here. Many bikes parked here, in fact. This side? Okay.
Like चलो Northeast जाते हैं, but ठीक है plan बोला I will make it. So it took me like almost a week to plan. ये किसका route कुछ लिया नहीं. It was all self-made from all these places. मतलब थोड़ा बहुत research करके देख लिया. ठीक है, वो भी मैं बोला ठीक है जाना है. मैं बोला 1 महीना तो लगेगा सर. बोला 1 महीना. बोला भाई इतना लंबा जाना है इंडिया के वो कोने में, 1 महीना तो लगेगा. लाइक शिफ्ट कर, मतलब शिफ्ट भी तो करना ही नहीं है, बिकॉज यू नो द फीलिंग फ्रॉम राइडिंग फ्रॉम होम एंड बैक टू होम, वो शिफ्ट में मज़ा नहीं है. फ्लाइट भी मिलता है, मोटरसाइकिल भी रेंट पे मिलता है, बट जो मज़ा खुद का मोटरसाइकिल लेके जाने में ना, वो शिपिंग में नहीं है. ये राइड के बाद एक्सपीरियंस हो गया.
These are the bikes here. This is the Triumph One-Wheel D120, the Speed Twin. And that is my Z here. That's the Triumph Adventure. The 920 200.
प्रैक्टिस रन चालू है।
कहाँ पे प्रैक्टिस कहाँ कर रहे हैं?
Six hours.
तो वो एक चीज़ करनी।
This is my friend Basil.
हाय।
So please support him. He's going for the Valley Run that is on the 13th and 14th, right?
या
So Basil Anthony, that's his Instagram profile. So check him out there. कौन सी बाइक उतर रही है Basil? The 10RR or the V4S?
M9 कैटेगरी में ZX 10RR उतर रही है।
Okay.
एंड फॉर द M10 कैटेगरी Ducati V4S।
अच्छा दोनों उतर रहे हैं?
हाँ।
Shit, crazy man. मेरा एक ही नहीं इधर उतरने को हो रहा है 800 cc में, भाई साहब दो उतर रहे। Great. Best of luck Basil.
थैंक्स अ लॉट।
This is my one more friend. He is the owner of the Tiger.
Hello.
Hi. So how do you feel coming here for the Triumph event?
This is my second time here.
अच्छा,
Feels
second time,
good.
yeah?
Yeah, feels good.
Your bike is obviously from the Andheri one, na?
हाँ. Only one showroom, na? So
Right,
this
right.
is just
अभी
opened
आया,
recently.
right.
1 month back opened.
Right.
This is a two years bike, 2 years old.
2-year-old bike.
It's a good experience.
अच्छा, so have you done like long trips like these guys? Any long
Not
trips?
on this one.
Okay.
Recently got so not on this one due to the lockdown and all.
Okay.
But planning to go next month.
अच्छा. With wifey or alone?
Wife if she is comfortable.
Okay.
नहीं
But
तो
this bike is completely comfortable, na? For a pillion, like
yeah,
obviously.
very comfortable. But she has to be
Willing to come.
willing to come on the bike.
That
नहीं तो she will put her in the backup car. Good for me. I can do my trails easily.
Right, because it's very difficult to ride pillion, I believe.
In the pillion it is easy, not difficult, but the pillion has to be supportive.
Right.
And the pillion can also do a stand-up riding with me, but practice बहुत लगता है उसको.
Absolutely. So hi guys, this is Shail. So basically he's from the Triumph showroom in Vashi, Shaman Triumph. Can you like introduce yourself, Shail?
Yeah, hi, I'm Shahil. I work at Triumph and I usually sit at the Vashi showroom.
Right.
I look after the sales. I'm a sales consultant over here.
So that's Shail. What I'll do is I'll put your number in the description.
Yeah,
So
sure.
if there's anything, they can like contact you directly through the channel, and maybe test drives वगैरह भी मिल जाएगा ना?
मिल जाते हैं.
मिल
Just you
जाएगा.
have to tell me in advance.
Right.
So that I can schedule one for you.
Okay.
Otherwise, usually the bikes are out for test ride. Someone
Right.
else is taking it.
Right.
So I can block the bike.
Okay.
The thing is, just let me know in advance.
Okay.
And it would be great if someone is ready to drop by the showroom, because then
Right.
we have variety of motorcycles for test ride.
Right.
As opposite to if I get one to you, that will be only motorcycle which you will be test riding. But if you
Right.
visit the showroom, you'll
Right.
get to experience all the other bikes.
Exactly. So just in case you all have a change of thought कि ये नहीं वो लेना है, तो कभी कभी होता है ना लास्ट मोमेंट के पे आदमी
Yeah.
चेंज कर लेता है कि जैसे स्ट्रीट ट्रिपल आर के जगह पे कोई समझो नॉर्मल स्ट्रीट ट्रिपल ले लिया.
Yeah, exactly.
So I guess there are 2 new bikes that are being launched by Triumph, right? Can you like tell us कौन से bikes है ये?
Okay, so the most awaited and upcoming bike is the Trident. It's going
Okay.
to be a new starting range motorcycle.
Okay.
It's going to be priced at around 8.5 lakhs.
Okay.
It's not the official
Ex-showroom.
price.
Ex-showroom?
No, on road.
Okay.
And there's another Tiger coming called Tiger 850 Sport.
Okay.
So that's going to be a new starting range Tiger.
अच्छा,
So,
okay.
if
I
that
was just seeing that in fact online. 850
Yeah,
Sport.
right.
So the 900 will be there, or is going to
Yeah,
be?
yeah, it's going to be the newer variants are going to be there, and that's going to be on top of that. And this is going to be a new starting range Tiger before Tiger GT.
Okay. before
And
GT.
we've also come up with the Speed Triple.
Okay.
It's got lots of beautiful features.
1200 cc, right?
Yes.
Right. So when is that coming?
So it's here. It's inbound for here. Let's say in 2 or 3 months it will be here.
Acha, but it's surely coming on Indian shows, right?
Yeah, it's coming. It's
So thanks, Shail.
Yeah.
That was great information from you. And as I said, if there's anybody who wants to book a Triumph, they'll definitely get in touch with you.
yes, definitely.
So hi guys, we are here at the event, and we are here with the people who actually made it through. So 1 month and 9,000 kilometers. How does it feel, guys? This is Dominic, by the way.
Hi, my name is Dominic. This is Pawan. And that's Srini.
Yes.
Preeti as my pillion and Prerna as my pillion.
So we had 2 pillion riders and three. Sorry, yeah. Great.
So how was it, guys? If you all can sum it up quickly,
Was like superb, a dream coming true, like being on the road for 32 days, experiencing different types of terrains, riding in all road conditions. So went well.
Nice. So what is your take on it? Like, because you are riding
With-
Pillion,
yeah.
and even Dominic was riding Pillion. You have been to rides before? No.
This was our
This is the first ride, and you directly went for 9,000 kilometers. Sixer
Yes.
मार दिया हमने.
सीधा.
Very good, very good. Super.
मतलब आज नहीं तो कल. So my whole thing was that this was almost like कल हो ना हो.
Okay.
So I was calling it like कल हो ना हो trip.
Okay.
एक तो north east one and secondly with Pillion also. So I was like first time. मैं बोला अभी करते जो है वो देखेंगे.
देख लेंगे.
साथ में है ना तो कुछ हुआ तो भी साथ में ही.
नहीं, exactly, because you all are with girls, so
Yeah.
it is a little plus northeast है.
Yeah. So it's quite.
Plus, but you have a big guy with you also.
We have a very, very experienced rider.
Okay.
Many of our situations were tackled by Pawan.
Okay.
I would like
Super.
to say a big thanks to Pawan because many of the situations I was finding it difficult.
Okay.
Even in his case, so
Okay.
he would guide us.
He was the most experienced.
Yeah,
Oh,
among
okay.
all of us. So
Okay, very nice. He looks the youngest, and I think
he is the youngest.
He is the youngest.
23 years only.
Oh, seriously? Crazy.
Disclaimer: bachelor.
Nice. Hit him up. Insta ID क्या है बोल दे भाई.
The road tripping brat.
Okay, okay.
So yeah, so far it was good. We had an amazing experience.
Great.
Good and bad.
Okay.
Mostly good. The bike performed amazingly well.
Excellent.
Okay.
Like Triumph Tiger is one bike that one should keeping in roads like these Indian
Right.
current conditions. The bike performed phenomenally well.
Okay.
So yeah, that's one thing which I want to share. Yeah.
Great. So I would like to hear a little bit of a bite from the girls also if you all can come here. Because the boys though will have any which ways have fun. So because
Why girls can't have fun?
No, obviously, but you all are outnumbered, na? There are 3 guys and 2 girls.
Well
We
played.
had our-
So did you all know each other since
No.
beginning
No.
or ये
We
पहली
met,
बार?
we met for
The first day of the
time.
trip, that's when we met. And we started sharing a room also on the first day itself.
Okay, okay.
So,
अच्छा, you all shared the room also for the first time. So,
lots of firsts on the trip.
okay, nice.
Yeah, I mean, I didn't.
And how was it riding Pillion on the track? Both, all of you all have the Tiger.
Yeah.
Achha, how was it as in for the behind also?
I had no
Experience.
problem at all
Okay.
because I have gone for rides with him in
Right, right.
different bikes also other than Tiger.
Right, I'm aware.
And yeah, you know that.
Yeah.
And in those bikes, just sitting for like 1.5 hour,
Right.
I
You
was
get tired.
I was done for the day. So I used to tell him like, if you are planning for rides, please go for some other bike. So then this came into picture.
True.
While I was there for 3 weeks.
Okay.
No back pain at all.
Seriously, nothing.
No back pain at all. I didn't have any kind of body pain, no back pain. I was having a feeling that once I'm back, maybe the next one day I'll be completely on the bed, sleeping. Nothing. I woke up at my normal time, usual time, and I was all good.
मतलब ऐसा था कि छुट्टी पे गए नहीं मतलब
वैसे ही था.
प्लानिंग लाइक वन
2 days later, job चालू हुआ. When I was sitting तभी.
उधर से नहीं ना
उधर से नहीं, but chance ही नहीं. But then after 2 days when I started working, one hour I sat on my chair and I had my back pain coming back. So
ओके तो यू वो वाला थकान इसमें निकला शायद maybe can be.
Correct.
maybe, but then mentally you are happy.
नहीं,
And so
absolutely.
that was not a
That and
problem.
that nobody can take it back. How about you? How was your experience?
I mean, I have a different experience with the bike because I used to be on the bike for like 1.5 hours and my behind used to start paining like crazy. So learning from him only, he started wearing cycling shorts, the
Okay.
padded ones. So
Sorry,
I got
you
the
should-
padded ones, the cycling
Achha,
shorts.
shorts for the behind.
So I got those for me. That sorted me out.
Achha, okay. That helped, really helped?
That actually helped. Me at least. I don't know what anyone else. And I learned to stretch on the bike on this trip while riding. Yeah,
Just to
specifically.
stand up? Why?
I didn't want to take the risk because I didn't want to
And
put him
yourself?
off balance.
Sorry, no.
With the pillion, nahi na?
No, I was fine.
You okay?
Yeah.
But it was a learning curve for me because it's the first day itself, 800 kilometers, and I've never done more than like 300 on the bike. So it was a little overwhelming, but I don't know, I somehow managed, and I'm glad I did because now I know I'm capable of doing more on the bike.
So you want to push that to
Of course.
you know, even इनफैक्ट इवन आई एम प्लानिंग अ राइड बट वो कभी होता ही नहीं है, कुछ ना कुछ बीच में आ जाता है. एंड बट लुकिंग एट यू गाइज आई थिंक यू नो इट्स नाउ और नेवर टाइप. या
It's always, as I said, कल हो now. No.
डोंट हैव किड्स. वी ऑल वांट टू हैव गो फॉर मोर राइड्स.
अरे फिर उसके लिए we'll have to buy more luggage then. टॉप बॉक्स में डालो या कुछ.
Kid is like a different ball game altogether.
That's true.
Yeah. अभी घर से फोन आया, अरे बच्ची ये कर रही है, वो मांग रही है, वो मांग रही है, तो but you guys are like planning something else now again, or
I mean, right now this trip itself has to still like sink in.
still sinking in?
Yes.
अभी वाला, हाँ, right.
So, but like, I mean, at least it has given us confidence as even as friends, you know, to know more than riders. It's also about being comfortable with each other and knowing each other kaisa hai. So that's a good thing. So which means even a short ride also makes more sense, and a longer ride if we, I mean, we're planning few, but let's see. Not, I don't know if it will be so long.
You're all self-employed or?
Yeah, we're all self-employed.
That's why 1 month.
Yes.
That is one good connection.
Correct.
Right. Great. Yeah, it was nice talking to you guys. And I hope you all, you know, actually go for more such trips, and you all actually inspire me to go on at least for a 1 night or a 2 night trip. So I would start with that. Yeah, absolutely. Because I would love to, but I don't know whether my bike would go in all that kind of a terrain, because I have a Kawasaki Z800, so it's a different breed. But I'll try. If it's a short trip, I'll definitely, you know, come along. Yeah. So thanks guys, it was nice talking to you.
So yes guys, that was the event for you all, and loved the experiences shared by all of my friends there. Maza aaya. Plus thank you Triumph, Shaman Triumph, for your coffee and for the snacks and for your hospitality. It was lovely meeting and making new friends. So that is important guys. अच्छे friends बनाओ, नए friends बनाओ, and it's always an experience that you can take out from new people whom you meet, whom you come across. So I loved it, and thank you Dominic for calling me. Dominic and Greety, thank you so much for calling me for the event, and it was good catching up with you all. So guys, that's it for this vlog for today. And guys, if you all like my content, do subscribe to my channel. My channel's name is Biker Dad Life. There's a double A in between. And also do follow me on Instagram. My Insta handle is also the same. It's Biker, Biker, and DAAD, Biker Dad Life. Do follow me there too, and let me know how this video was guys. Do comment in the comment section, do give it a thumbs up, and also let me know what kind of videos you all want to see from me, so that I try and make this channel more interactive. आपको क्या पसंद है वो बताइए मुझे, मैं कोशिश करूँगा कि वैसा कंटेंट डालूँ. ऑल्सो मैं थोड़ा हिंदी व्लॉगिंग चालू कर रहा हूँ, क्योंकि नॉट एवरीबडी अंडरस्टैंड्स इंग्लिश. तो हमारा राष्ट्रभाषा है हिंदी, तो मैं हिंदी में भी व्लॉगिंग करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ फॉर दी मासेस, फॉर एवरीबडी. तो लेट मी नो योर टेक ऑन माई हिंदी. इतनी शुद्ध नहीं है मेरी हिंदी, इट इज़ अ मुंबईया काइंड ऑफ हिंदी, बट आई एम ट्राइंग माई बेस्ट गाइज. तो अगर आपको मेरा ये मेहनत दिख रहा है तो डू सब्सक्राइब. सो इट वॉज नाइस टॉकिंग टू यू गाइज, एंड see you from Biker Dad Life. Take care. Alvida. Bye bye.